The recording is on. Let me share my screen. Okay. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay, see. Uh, any programming languages you are learning, okay? If it's a
Okay.
Python, Java, C programming, okay, C sharp, okay. There are DSA, data structure is there, okay? So it has sorting, searching, okay, and looping things is very important in this, okay. So that's why we should learn loops, okay. So Python has two loops mainly,
Okay.
okay, and which are first is while loop and second is for loop, okay. So in the while loop, let's start the while loop. So while loop, there is a, there is a condition, okay? There is a condition, okay? Until, it becomes false, the statements inside the block will get executed. So, for example, see, let's say I is 0, okay? And here I is becoming, see, until I becomes 5, okay? Until I becomes 5. So see, I'm starting from 0, okay? And I'm going up to 5, okay? Are you following? See, this condition is like this, okay? Let me tell
Yeah.
you. I'm starting from 0 and see, my condition is less than 5. So, in between this, I have numbers in. First, it is 0. But I'm not mentioning this like what is I will be 1. I'm not mentioning this. This I will mention inside while. For now, I is 0. See, for now, I is 0. I will be 1. Okay, will be 2. Will be 3. Okay, will be 4. And then it will be 5. But as soon as it becomes 5 now, it stops. So we are saying when you become 5, you stop. You got it? So we are saying as soon as you become 5, you stop. So, and when you are 0, you do work. When you are 1, you do work. When you are 3, you do work. You're 4, you're doing work. And when you become 5, you stop. So I mentioned here start, and this is stop. Okay. So i's value, initial value I have given. Okay, which is 0. Is it less than 5? Is I less than 5? So what is the present value for I? 0. Okay. So you can make a column in here. Okay. Let's say I make a I column. Let me put 0 in it. Okay. Now tell me, put I value in this one. Okay. 0 less than 5, is it true or false? Tell me.
For
I- Is 0 less than 5?
yes.
So it's a true, right? So whenever it is true, you're doing some work in here. Let's say I'm just printing I value. Okay, I'm just printing I value and it's a comma separated. Okay, it's a comma separated. Now, what we do after printing I 0? Okay, so output, in the output, you will see value of I, which is 0, printed. Okay, and comma is also printed. Now, after printing, 0, I want to become 1. How do you make it 1? It's very simple. You have to increase I by 1. And it is very important. If you don't increase I, it will never reach 5. And if it doesn't reach 5, your loop is not going to stop. So that's why we need to increase. So see in here, I incremented. So that means I became 1. Okay. See, look at here. The reset value of I is 1. After this, where it goes? It goes to I less than 5. You understand? When I incremented, you have to check whether the new value of I, which is 1, is it less than 5? So tell me, 1 less than 5? Is it? Is it 1 less than 5? True, false? It's
True.
true. Okay? And when it is true, means what? See, it is true means you are going inside while. Okay, you are printing I. So that means you are again printing 1 comma. After this, the value of I is incremented. Means I becomes 2. So you push I to 2. Okay. Now check the new value of I. Put it here. 2 less than 5. Is it true? 2 is less than 5. So it's true. So when this is true, you're doing the same thing, printing I. So the value of I is 2, you're printing it. After printing, it goes to incrementing I. So incrementing I by 1, so that means this 2 becomes 3. So here we go, we add 1 to the previous value of I. So after incrementing, let's check the condition. Put the new value of I, 3 less than 5. Is it true? 3 is less than 5. So it's true. When it's true, it will again go inside and do the same action, printing I. Now this time I value is 3. It will print 3. Now it will do increment I again. So 3 becomes what? 4. Now after incrementing, it always checks the condition. So is it 3 less than 5? Oh, sorry. The new value of I is 4. 4 less than 5. It's true again. So this expression again it becomes true. So doing the same action, printing I, new value of I is 4. Okay. And now after printing 4, it becomes what? It becomes 5. Incrementing I by 1. Okay. Look at here. 5 less than 5. It is false. See, 5 is not less than 5. Okay. So it is false. False meaning what? Now you don't do this. You stop. So what you got output? You got 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. You understand? So this loop prints output 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Let's try this. Okay. Let's try this code in here. Put make I 0 while I less than 5. Print I end comma. Okay. And I equal to I plus 1. Let's save this code and run it. Okay. Okay, here we go. We have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's not printing 5. Why? Because when it becomes 5, this condition becomes false. So when it is false, it's not printing. Okay. If you want to make it, you want to make 5 also printed, you just put equal sign in there. Okay. So you just put equal sign in here, you'll get output 5 also. Okay. I also printed. Let me clear and save this and run it. Here we go. See, we got 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So here I will just put what is the output. I will write it on top. It will be clear to you. 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And now, see, we'll copy this. If I want output 5 also, okay, what I have to do? I have to either put equal to in here, okay, that is also giving same output, or you can just say less than 6, okay, it will give you the same output, okay. So let's save this and run it. Clear the terminal. Okay, let me print here statement. It will be a new line, okay. Look at here. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's say I want the output like this. I want the output 1, comma 2, comma 3, comma 4, comma 5. I don't want 0 in output. So what should I do? Can you tell me the code?
Hello, yes, what did you say? Hello. Hello.
Yeah, I'm listening to you.
What did you say?
I said I want output 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What can I do in here? Let me help you. If you want to make first print 1, then you have to make I1. You understand? So you put I,
Yes.
see, you put 1 in I. Before we used to put 0. That's why in output you get first 0. You understand? And then,
Okay.
okay, then you have to, see, up to what you have to print? See, 5, you want 5. So you have to write next number, less than 6. Print I, comma, end is equal to, okay, like this. You understand? And then increment after printing, you increment I, so I can go to the next position number like 2, then 3, then 4, and then 5. When it becomes 6, it will stop. And this is how you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 output. So let's check. Look at here. Okay, let me put one print in here. It works like it adds a new line there. Okay. Or you can comment all this code. Okay. So let's save this and run it. Okay, look at here. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. If I want the output like, okay, you have to tell me, okay, what do I do? I want output like this. Okay. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I want output this. What do I do? Yes, are you there?
Yes.
Then tell me quickly.
You put I equals to 1.
No, no, not 1. See, are you starting printing from 1? Do you want output? See, do you want output? See, output 1 as a starting value?
5.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, then put I while I is greater than 9.
Not greater, less than.
Less than 9, sorry, yes.
No, but if you do less than 9, it will not print 9.
Okay, less than 10.
Okay.
Print I comma and equals double and put I equals to 1 plus 10.
1 plus 10, no, I plus 1.
Okay.
Pay attention, okay? So look at here, I'm commenting this and we'll see if we get the same output 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. See 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. If you want 10 also, what we can do? If in output I want 10 also, okay, comma 10. So you just have to make it equal. Okay. I should be less than 10 or it should be 10. Okay, it will check both. Okay, this time it will print. Okay, look at. So let me save this. Look at here. I'm getting now 10 also. You understand?
Yes.
Okay. Now we can learn break. Okay. So this is interesting. Okay. It's like, if you drive a bicycle, okay. Okay, you drive a car, you drive a, bike, okay. You do cycling. Okay, all vehicles have brakes, right? Okay. Why do we need to apply brakes? Though we did see, we stop only when our destination arrived. Okay. When we reach destination, then only we have to stop. But sometimes while traveling, okay, we need to apply sometimes brakes. Why? Because there are hurdles, right? And we want to stop early. Okay. because of it may be raining heavily. That's why we need to stop. Okay, someplace safe, isn't it? You're going to school, it's raining heavily, and you're going by bicycle, okay, and you stop, okay, and there's tree, safe place, okay, isn't it? So, meaning what? That sometimes, okay, we have to stop early executions, okay, that is called break, okay. Let me show you. Let's say I is 1, okay. I say stop when I becomes 10, okay. I'm putting one condition in here. Stop when you reach destination, okay. But that is okay. It's like I ask you, Tathag, you go to school, but you stop only when you reach school, okay. So you follow my instructions, but one day what happens? It's it's heavily raining there. Okay, and you didn't reach the destination. Okay, but you remember my rule. You don't have to stop. But you know what you do? It's you check yourself. Oh, it's raining heavily now. I have to stop early. I can't reach destination. Right? So that is the case. So first exit is this. It will stop when I become stay. Okay, let's do that first. Okay, print I end is equal to, let's this time we will use space, increment I by 1. Look at here. Okay, it will print numbers from 0 to 10, 0 to 9. Okay, so in this one it is printing 0 to 9. Let's save this. Run it. See, it's giving me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Now, what I'm saying, please watch it carefully. Okay. I am saying that you check if I is equal to 5. Okay. You break. Okay. You apply break. Break meaning you stop whatever you are doing. You stop. Now tell me, what will be the output? When I becomes 5, it is going to stop. That is the condition. We are again putting one more condition in here. Saying that when I becomes 5, you have to stop this loop. Okay. So it will never become 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Okay. So it's, it's like, you're watching a movie. Okay. You find it very boring. You're not going to sit 3 hours and watch the movie. You take early exit, isn't it? Right? So that is called break. Let's clear this, save this, and run it. Say sprinting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and not 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 because of this break. Break, what it will do? It will print 5, then it will check is i's value is 5. Yes, break. Break meaning stop whatever you are doing, and it will come out of this loop. It will come out of this loop. It will not become 6. Okay? Because you break the loop. You understand? You break the cycle. Okay? Okay. We can do this also. Okay? Let's say I want to. Okay, you have to tell me what will be the output. Okay? Let me just copy this, comment it. See, in here, I'm doing the same thing, but I mean putting it here, 7. Okay? So, what will be the output? Can you tell
It
me?
will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Very good, very good. And when it becomes 7, it prints 7. Okay. And then checks, is it 7? Yes. Meaning break. When it becomes 7, it stops completely. Your while loop stops completely. Understand? Very good. So let me save this and run this. Look at here. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. Okay. And what will be the output when I write the print statement, not on top, but below if? Okay. See here. So this time I'm checking first. Is it 7? If yes, then break. Otherwise, it will print that number and go to next. So what will be the output in this case? Yes.
Yes.
What will be the output? Not yes. You have to give me the answer. Be
It will
quick.
be um 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Why 8? See, when we apply break on 7, why? How does it print 8? Explain. See, then you have to make this column. Okay? I column. See, now when you say I1, you put inside that 1. See, you put in here 1. Okay? Now check 1 less than 10. Yes. Is it 7? No. So it is printing 1. You understand? It is printing 1. Okay? And then I becomes what? See, I becomes 2. So here we go. I became 2. Is 2 less than 10? Yes. Is it 7? No. Printing 2. Here we go. We have to become 3. Here it becomes 3. 3 less than 10? Yes. 3 is 3 7? No. Printing 3. Okay. And becoming 4. Is 4 less than 10? Yes. Is 4 7? No. Printing 4. Okay. And then becoming 5. I became 5. Check the condition. Is 5 less than 10? Yes. Is 5 7? No. So print 5 and then increment. Okay. Then it becomes 6. And now check condition. Is 6 less than 10? Yes. Is 6 7? No. Print 6 and then increment. Print 6 and then increment. Now look at here. I became 7. Check condition. Here I became 7. So let's check condition. Is 7 less than 10? Yes. Okay.
Yeah.
7 less than 10? Yes. Is I 7? Yeah, I is value 7. 7 7? 7 is equal to 7? Yes. So it stops. Break. See, what is the output you got?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Where is 7? Where is 7? This is the output. Where is 7? 7 will not be printed, Tathag. You are not paying attention. When I became 7, it stopped. So it's not continuing. So that's why when it stops, it doesn't print 7. Because when I become 7, it stops. You understand? So output will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay.
Okay? Because you are printing after if. Before, see. Before what we did, we printed first I and then we check is it 7, then break. That's why you got in here 1 up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 7. This 7 it is printed because you first printed I value and then check with 7. But in this condition, in this one, we are first checking is it 7 and then if it is 7, you stop. That's why you are not printing 7 because you are printing it after checking with if. You understand?
Yes.
Okay. So let's do the continue. Okay. So this is, let me put it in comment. Continue is, it's a very interesting though. See, I'm putting I is 1. Okay. I'm saying while I less than 5. Okay. And I'm saying, see, I'm saying increment I to 1. Okay. Increment I by 1. And I'm also checking if. Okay. Let's make it 0. Okay. I'm incrementing I value by 1. Okay. And then I'm checking. Okay. If I is equal to 3, then continue. And after this, if I'm printing I value, it is very simple. You just understand the flow, where it is going after what statement. Okay. See, look at here. Now, what is I? I is 0. So let's create a column of I. You also create a column of I on a piece of paper with pencil. You start putting values in it. Okay, look at here. I is 0. So let's put I in I 0. I is, see, you are incrementing I by 1. Okay. I plus 1. So you have to do this 1. Okay. Now after this, statement, where do you go? You go to this statement. You check. I value, is it 3? I value is 1. So 1, is it 3? No. That means you're not going to execute this. You're not executing this. When I becomes 3, then you execute this. But currently, at present, I is 1. So 1, is it 3? No. Meaning what? We have to print I. See, look at here. I'm printing output on top. It is 1. I value it is printing. So at present, I is 1. Okay. So now check the value of I. 1 less than 5. Yes. Is it true? Yes, it is true. Okay. So I less than 5 is true. Because I value is 1. 1 less than 5 is true. When it is true, it will increment the I. Okay. First statement is increment. So it will first increment. Okay. You understand? So I becomes 2. Now check. Here I became 2. Now check in here. Is I 3? I see the value of I is 2. So is I 3? No. Okay. 2 is not 3. So it will go to a print statement and it will print the value of I, which is 2. After this, it will go to condition because there are no statements below. Okay. So I less than 5. Check. 2 less than 5. At present, I value is 2. So 2 less than 5. It's true. You understand? So this is again true. Meaning what? If this is true means you are doing same thing again. So I becomes what now? I equal to I plus 1. Meaning increment the value of I by 1. Meaning I become 3. And now check. Is it 3? Now look at I value. I is 3. So is 3 is 3? Yes. I is 3. 3 equal to 3? Yes, true. Now I became 3. Okay. So this condition becomes true. So when this condition becomes true, what you are doing? You are doing continue. Continue meaning what? Continue meaning you continue from condition and don't execute the following statement. You understand? Continue meaning you go to top condition. Okay. So here we go. We are checking now. We are not printing 3. See, why? Because there is a continue. Continue says don't execute the next statements, just start from the condition. Here we go. Now we are not printing 3 in here because of this continue. It is checking condition now. 3 less than 5. Yes. Check 3 less than 5. Yes, it is true. Okay. And now we do I equal to I plus 1. Meaning what? Increment the value of I. So I becomes 4. Okay. Is 4 3? No. Meaning we are printing value of I. Print the value of I 4. Now check the condition. 4 less than 5. True. Okay. Now make it, say, increment it by 1. Okay. I becomes what? I becoming 5. Okay. Is it 3? Is
No.
5 3? No. So print 5. Okay. So let me print 5. And then it checks. Is 5 less than 5?
No.
So it is false. So when it becomes false, while condition becomes false, everything stops. So look at here. What we have output? 1, 2, 4, 5, not 3. Because when I became 3, it skipped printing it. You understand? So this is the purpose of continue. Okay? Continue meaning, don't continue the following statements. Continue meaning, skip the next statements after continue. Okay? And start from the condition again. Okay? Understand? Okay, let's run this code. Here we go. So output C 1, 2, 4, 5, and there is no 3 in it. If you make it 2 in here, okay, it will do what? It will skip 2. See, 1, 3, 4, 5. No 2. Because continue. Okay. Alright. That's it for today's session. Please rejoin the session. Okay. Thank you.